Welcome friends, we are going to consider the DNA structure and its various forms. In this simplified structure, we can consider the double helical structure provided by the Watson-Crick model, in which the thickness of the DNA is 2 nanometer. The backbone that is clearly visible in the form of a spiral organization are basically made up of sugar and the phosphate alternatively, while the ladders or the steps of the ladder that are considered as the base pairs. In one base pair there are the two bases which are bonded through hydrogen bonds. Now the two bases of a pair are having the propeller twist. That means they are not the coplanar structure, rather they are having a tilt with respect to each other that strengthen their hydrogen bonding potential. The other important stability factors that we can consider covalent bond, that is in terms of the phosphodiester bond, and the most important one is the base stacking. The stacking of bases basically exclude the water in between of the nitrogenous base pairs, because the nitrogenous base pairs are hydrophobic in structure, so they won't love the water. So presence of water would disrupt the structure. So base stacking wouldn't allow the water, and thus it stabilizes the double helical structure. Moving to the next section, the various forms, in which the major forms we can consider A and B form of the DNA, which belongs to right-handed DNA, and this another one is the Z form of DNA, that is the example of left-handed DNA. The left-handed DNA is basically due to the alternative syn and anti-glycosidic bonds, while in the right form of the DNA, the glycosidic bonds are always in the orientation of anti-situation. Another important point we can consider the humidity, that means the water content when remains high along with the DNA, it assumes the B form. When the humidity is lowered, or you can say the salt concentration is increased, in that case it assumes the A form and Z form. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay safe. In this time of information overburden, what we can think, what we can do, how to get the correct information, authentic information, rather moving to the random books or any kind of fake journals. You students just need to go to the Google. You just go and Google your query. For example, here we were talking about nucleosome, and I just want to review how much progress has been made in the nucleosome structure and its dynamicity. So I simply write the nucleosome review and mention PDF and the NCBI. And NCBI is the site where we can find the authentic articles. So simply here we are getting the paper has been opened. This is the 2016 publication, and the similar kind of publication we can find here. And this is the full length article. That is very important to enrich our knowledge and to update the sciences, scientific understanding. You can also go through the PDF. You can click here and the whole article would be converted into the PDF, and you can download it easily. So this is how you can update with the authentic information in the sciences.